10 years after Thermopylae Sparta remembered. 10,000 warriors marched not to defend, but to avenge. Witness history like never before. Battle of Avenged. Witness history like never before. Leonidas and his 300 warriors, their swords, their courage, their sacrifice, all had become memory. The soil and air of Sparta still carried the scent of blood. Every heart, every gaze, held a single promise. Thermopylae would be avenged. But before we dive deeper, a quick question for you. The Spartans, these warriors of unmatched courage, these heroes of history, you witnessing their story from your corner of the world. Sparta transformed grief into strength. Mothers who lost sons sharpened spears for their children. Fathers who had buried warriors prepared their remaining sons for war. Pausanias, Leonidas' successor, silently gathered his army. The hour of vengeance was near. At the first light, 10,000 Spartans in crimson cloaks marched across the dusty plains. Every step, every spear, carried the memory of Thermopylae and the blood of Leonidas. This was no ordinary march. It was a tide of revenge. Yet Sparta did not stand alone. Athens, Corinth, Megara sent over 70,000 hoplites, once rivals now united as one shield wall. The enemy could not imagine Greek cities fighting together. Persian commander Mardonius had spread his army across the plain, confident the Greeks would break. He was wrong. These Spartans, these Greeks, fought not for survival, but for vengeance. In the Persian camp, music and torches lit the night as soldiers feasted. Across the field, Greek soldiers remained silent. No songs, no laughter, only weapons being readied. Shields tightened, spears sharpened. Fear had no place here, only purpose. Dawn broke over Plataea. Persian cavalry surged forward like a dark tide, hooves thundering, arrows clouding the sky. Yet the Greeks held. Each wave of Persian soldiers met the unyielding wall of Spartan bronze. Or spacet. Persians expected fury, but the Spartans advanced with measured steps. Discipline, not rage, was their deadliest weapon. Confusion spread through the Persian ranks. Why did their prey not flee? Where was the chaos they expected? Sparta had turned vengeance into patience, patience into strategy. Persian cavalry grew tired. Arrows dwindled. And then Pausanias gave the signal. The Spartan line moved steadily forward, a crimson wave crushing the disorganized enemy beneath iron discipline. The Spartan right wing pivoted. Their target was clear, Mardonius himself. Spears, shields, training, and the force of centuries of wrath all converged. One spear, hurled with the weight of Thermopylae, struck true. Mardonius fell, and the Persian line collapsed like dry wood under a hammer. Without their commander, the once mighty Persian army dissolved. Panic replaced pride. Soldiers fled, dropping weapons. Shields scattered, and the Spartans advanced with cold precision. This was not a battle for glory. It was justice fulfilled. Each Spartan step, each thrust of a spear, reminded the world of Leonidas and the 300. The Persian camp, once a symbol of power and wealth, now lay in smoke, blood, and ruin. Greece had not only won the battle, they had ended the Persian dream of conquering the West. Sparta celebrated no victories, no festivals. Instead, they left a simple message carved into stone. Here, Greeks defeated the Persians. No boasts, no speeches, just fact. From that day, Sparta was no longer just a city yet, was a legend of defiance. Greece stood united, a shield against tyranny, and the legacy of Sparta marched forward from Thermopylae to Plataea. Every story of resistance, every stand against impossible odds, carries their name. If you want to uncover more hidden battles, forgotten tactics, and the untold truths of ancient warfare, subscribe, because the next story will take you even deeper into the wars that shaped our world.